You want to start an affiliate business? Learn how to do the right keyword research to earn money online. This and more in today's video. Hello and welcome to the Business Class, your YouTube channel, where you learn all about the topic money. Although money and wealth are not everything, you barely get anywhere without in our modern day society. Seemingly everyone nowadays wants to be rich, famous and live a life in wealth, but of course not everyone will manage to do so. However, if you are determined, focused and working hard, you will be able to achieve your goals. So do no longer waste your potential, do no longer wait for your luck to happen from alone, improve yourself every single day and you will soon start to see the fruits of your success. With my videos, I want to provide you with motivation, knowledge and inspiration, so that you can reach your goals as fast as possible and make the best out of your life. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button, to not miss a single video. Also write a comment with your suggestions and wishes, which content you would like to see more often. And now let's start. How to do keyword research for affiliate marketing sites. Affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize your website. However, in order to make money and achieve success, you need a steady stream of targeted traffic coming to your site. Simply put, you won't get anything without traffic. To get traffic to your site, you need to understand what keyword research is. In this video, I will tell you how to find great keywords and use them effectively. This way, you will be able to drive a lot of targeted traffic to your website and affiliate offers. What are keywords? Keywords are search terms entered into search engines such as Google, Yahoo and Bing. People enter these keywords into search engines to find answers to their problems. Your job is to know what people are searching for in your niche. It's very simple. Why keywords are important to affiliates? The most obvious reason why keywords are important is, first, to get more traffic to your site. The more traffic you get, the more people will buy the product you're promoting, and the more money you can make. You can never have too much traffic and too many sales. More specifically, keywords are important because they tell Google what your content is about. You can write the best articles in the world in your niche, but without a keyword strategy you will have little chance of ranking high in search. The most important thing is to write content that is useful and relevant to your niche audience. Of course, I'm a firm believer in that. But if people can't find your content, that doesn't mean much. Another benefit of keyword research is that if you know what you're doing, you can glean countless valuable ideas for content. Using the simple techniques I'm about to show you, there's always something to write about, and therefore a great opportunity to drive traffic to your affiliate site. Keyword types. Before moving on to research tips, it's important to understand what types of keywords you're targeting. This can make a big difference in your overall results. The difference between broad and narrow words. The first thing to consider is how broad or narrow your keywords are. For example, if your niche is golf swing improvement, you shouldn't target keywords like golf swing. It's much better to choose longer, more targeted keywords for your content, such as how seniors can improve their golf game. Also, such broad keywords are not very targeted in terms of converting visitors to sales. Buyer intent. There are certain stages in the buyer's life cycle that can be identified based on what they are looking for. Knowing this can be very helpful when planning content and keywords and can make a big difference in your overall bottom line. For example, a person typing in the keyword golf swing may not be looking to buy anything, but is looking for general information. However, if someone types in keywords like golf improvement exercises, they are looking for something very specific. Your goal would be to write articles that show people different exercises and really help them solve that problem, and as an affiliate you can link to relevant affiliate products. For example, a video course on golf swing exercises. If you go deeper into this topic, keywords can be the pinnacle of buying intent. For example, when someone searches for product review X, they are often ready to buy. They have a credit card in hand. They are looking for reassurance that the product is right for them and that it is cost-effective. If they're looking for where to buy or best value for money, they've already made a decision, which makes those keywords very valuable in terms of conversions and profits. If you start landing on these keywords, you can start earning commissions. Conclusion. The more relevant and targeted your keywords are, the more likely you are to rank on Google and provide value to your audience. The more value you give your audience, the more likely they are to buy from your link based on your recommendation. Also, the more you target people who are in the buying phase, the more money you can make by providing your content to people who are more likely to make a purchase. How to do evergreen keyword research. Evergreen keywords are phrases that people will be typing into Google for years to come. Because they are not limited to a specific product, time or event, ranking for these keywords can generate passive income over a significant period of time. Step 1. Make a list of your main topics. Whenever you create a niche site, you want to list your main themes. Some people call this the initial theme, which makes sense because most of what you write will come from that theme. If you take the golf niche as an example, you can come up with 4 main topics to start with. Golf swing techniques. Golf swing exercises. Golf industry news. Golf-related product reviews. This is a very broad topic and could be broken down even more, but it's a useful starting point. Now you know the main topics you want to write about and the keywords to look for. In this section, we will use golf swing technique as an example. Step 2. Generate ideas. The next step is to come up with ideas based on the main topic and write them down. I use a Google Docs spreadsheet to record ideas. However, a simple Excel spreadsheet, Word document, or Notepad will also work. Select one main topic and type a phrase followed by a letter of the alphabet into the Google search box. Why are we doing this? Because with auto-suggestions, Google offers relevant ideas. Google knows what people are looking for and will show you ideas to make your job, as a search user, faster and easier. Use this information. You can do this using only 3 letters of the alphabet, A, B and L, as shown above. It's very simple and powerful. It works well. Now think if we applied this to the other basic themes and to all the letters of the alphabet. And we're just getting started. A little hint for you, if the content of the video is important to you and you want to benefit from it in the future, you can easily save the video to your playlist or click on Watch Later, so that you can watch it again at any time you want. Or, if you don't watch this video as a logged-in member, just save the video as a bookmark in your browser, to always have easy access to it. Step 3. Research with the keyword tool. If you have a list of ideas from the previous steps, the next step is to use the keyword tool to see what opportunities are available. You can use ideas as they come in, but if you delve into the data with a decent keyword research tool, your results will be less consistent. The free Google Keyword Planner is good, but you can also use a keyword research tool called Joxy, which costs $19 a month. This is because it is very effective for organic ranking and includes other search engines such as Bing and Yahoo in its data. The free Keyword Planner is also better for paid traffic, aka AdWords, because it provides a lot of PPC traffic data when measuring competition. I'm not saying this Keyword Planner doesn't work or isn't useful. Joxy is better for measuring organic search volume. I'm sure there will be objections, and that's fine. Use what works for you. There are some great tools like SEMrush, which many people love, so depending on your budget it might be worth checking it out as well. Anyway, first of all, you need to have some kind of system for recording your actual keywords and related data points. Overview of the process. Start with a broad topic idea. Use Google Auto-Suggestions to generate ideas based on that idea. Do your research with the keyword tool, find matches, and come up with new ideas. Repeat this process to fill your editorial calendar. This is how I do it over and over again, but you get the gist. I just repeat this method over and over to come up with hundreds of good keywords, which I then list and write down. Keyword research for product reviews. What we've presented so far is the basic idea and some evergreen strategies. Conducting product reviews is generally a short-term strategy, at least not a passive one. But either way, it's a very effective strategy. As mentioned before, the value of reviews is that they can hook niche people when they're already ready to buy. This often leads to higher conversions. And while you can use the standard research process described before to rank for these keywords, you can also use a more powerful strategy when it comes to product reviews. It's about reviewing new products ahead of the masses. When you publish quality reviews ahead of most bloggers, in my experience, they often rank easier and faster. As a result, this serves as an inexhaustible source of fresh keywords that bring a lot of quality traffic to your site. However, it's not a hard and fast rule, and it certainly doesn't always work that way. Sometimes it happens that a site has done a quality review before anyone else, but has dropped down in the rankings for no reason. On the other hand, we've done a review of a product after it launched, and it went up in the rankings as if it had no competition. Nothing is immutable when it comes to organic rankings. The best way to do this, in my opinion, is to use high-quality content and keywords with low competition. So how can you do this? Simply put, use the same method I just described and your knowledge of niche products. Look for products relevant to your niche on Amazon and the affiliate networks you use. If you want to get ahead of the curve, you can find out what products are coming to market and do your homework to be the first to review those products. This strategy is based more on intuition and niche knowledge than on keyword research data. Depending on the niche, product review style keywords to target might be: Product X review. Best Product X's for __. Is Product X a scam? Product X versus Product Y. What is Product X? Is Product X legit? Top 10 Product X's. And many more. All of these things that people are looking for about a product are good review material. If you're not promoting something, that doesn't mean you can't do a review. Just give people honest reviews to give them as much information as you can about what you think. Within your site, you can create a call to action and drive conversion to what you are promoting already by the fact that you have attracted visitors. Incorporate keywords into your content. As with most things in internet marketing, there are different opinions on how to incorporate your chosen keywords into your articles. Another trick is to use images with keywords in the title and alt tag description, although the alt tag description is often different from the title. The alt tag description is a way to tell Google and blind people what the image is about. People read content through browser add-ons, so a proper description of the image will be helpful. This doesn't mean it's the ultimate image strategy for everyone, but using relevant images and including keywords in them in some form is definitely a good idea. It's also important not to insert keywords into content in unnatural ways. Always choose and insert keywords that are naturally human readable. Trust me on this point, it's a good idea. Tip: focus on value. It's easy to get carried away with the technical aspects of ranking, keyword research. But the most important factor in gaining and maintaining rankings is creating useful and relevant content. This cannot be overstated. People who like your content will spend more time on your pages, comment, share on social media, and in some cases link to your content from their sites and forums, because it offers good value. They also come back to your site and go to other pages on your site. All of this certainly contributes to SEO. Needless to say, this way you will increase your authority in Google over time, and as your site's authority grows, you will be able to rank faster in future articles. Summary: keywords undoubtedly play an important role in getting targeted free traffic to your site through search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing. Using keywords isn't everything, but knowing how they work will help you plan your site, come up with good content ideas, and ultimately get more traffic and earn more commissions as an affiliate. And if one day, you want to build up your own business, or you have one already and want it to grow much bigger and faster, always have in mind that starting a successful business and earning money takes time. You need perseverance and a lot of stamina. It's like you growing a small plant right from the seed. You never know how fast it will grow, how tall it will get, and how many fruits you will be able to collect. It is the same with every business. Some work great, some flop, and some could become very successful. But people way too often resign much too early. So follow my advices, try out different methods, and sooner or later, you will find the one that suits you the most, that fits best to your skills and knowledge, and you will have a well-earning business. No matter if you want to make money online, by affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or even stocks, everything is possible. And even though growing a business and making money can sometimes be a lengthy and tedious issue, it's all worth it at the end. Just stay focused to your goals, work smart and hard, spend your time and resources effectively, be persistent, and sooner or later, you will have success. You will reach your goals and earn enough money to live the life you ever dreamed of. I hope this video was helpful for you and I was able to impart knowledge to you. give you new ideas, or simply inspire and motivate you to change your life in a positive way? If so, please leave a like and write me your opinion and content requests in the comments. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button, to not miss a single video. Thank you very much for your interest and especially for your time. And hopefully, we see us in the next business meeting.